Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a Halloween makeup tutorial and it's going to be based on the Joker from The Dark Knight. And the first step is going to be taking a white creamy pencil and applying it all over the face roughly for a base because the Joker had a white face. And I'm just taking NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and applying it all over the face, all around the face. And this is the first time that I'm doing both a Halloween tutorial and a tutorial on someone else except me. This is my brother. So I'm just taking this creamy pencil and applying it all over his face for a white base. And I'm having a little bit of cold and coughs. I'm sorry if my voice doesn't sound right. I just had to record the voiceover in order to complete the video. Next I'm going to blend it all around the face, and just because the video is on double speed, it can feel that I'm a little harsh on his face, but trust me, his face was alright. Also apply it onto your eyes because it's going to be a base for the black eyeshadow that we're going to apply in a few couple of seconds. So just blend it all around your face in order for a seamless look. Do not leave any part except the lips, which can be skipped, even around the nose. If you want to, you can use brushes for this, but fingers work best. That's what I have noticed. I tried brushes on my cousin earlier and I did the makeup of Joker on him as well that day. Then take a powder, and taking Johnson's Baby powder and a powder puff and applying all over the face to set the creamy pencil because it can crease in a few minutes if you do not use a setting powder. You can also use eyeshadow, but I found that powder was quicker and because you have to do it all over the face. Next I'm taking black eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it all around the eye, starting from a little bit above the eyebrow till the under eye area because the Joker had that look. And then I'm filling it in, and white helps here because it will make the black pop. Otherwise the black would not look as dense as it should. So I'm just applying it all around the eye, on the eyelid as well as below the eye, which I had a little bit of trouble because my brother kept on flickering his eyes again and again, and I had to tell him not to do it, and he was like, I'm not even doing that. So just do that and do it on both of the eyes like so. It doesn't need to be even. Next I'm taking brown eyeshadow and making some frown lines because Joker had them removed a little bit, but because I'm not a professional, I'm just gonna do it with black and I'm gonna blend it out. Ouch. Like so. I'm just blending the brown eyeshadows, and the colors might look a little bit more brighter because of sunlight, but they aren't that bright. Next I'm taking the red lipstick, and this is the most important part. It's a deep red lipstick and you need to make an outline first like so for a guideline. And my brother is looking so hollowly at the camera, it's so scary. So just make an outline first in order to know where you want to fill in, and next take the lipstick and just fill in. And this doesn't need to be perfect or in shape because his lips were not perfect or in shape. Just make sure that you are filling it in, and it should be in a smile. So I'm just going on filling, and it should be below the lips and above the lips as well because his weren't like just on the lips, and it needs to be a little untidy. And yeah, I'm just trying to give it a little bit of finishing touches with the brush, precision brush. Next I'm taking cotton and I'm making a little bit globules and putting red lip gloss on it. And my brother suddenly starts getting hiccups, and I'm just sticking it onto his lips because he had some skin kind of coming out, kind of boils on his face. So this cotton would give it that effect. So make sure to cover up the cotton completely in the red lip gloss. I am doing this 3 times more, 2 on each side, and this is how it will look. And after that just apply a little bit gloss on the lips for a wetter look because he had a wet look. Next I'm taking brown eyeshadow and with an angled brush I'm making 2 lines like stitch marks on his lips. Next I am also putting some lines onto his face for like I told you, he had some creased look. So I'm just putting it at random places and then just blending it, brown lines, and just blending it on my brother's request. That is, he was guiding me where to put them. Next I'm taking this green pigment, and because Joker had green hair and my brother wouldn't allow me to put paint, so I said I'll put pigment, and I used a fan brush to make sure that the pigment was all nicely spread out. It's a green mineral pigment and I used it all over his hair, and it got shampooed out easily, so you can do that, and it's very quick cheap and effective way to color your hair without coloring your hair and damaging your hair as well, because it just sits on the top of your head. And with that we complete the look, and this is the final Joker look. Yep, and that's how my brother looked. And I also made a Bane mask for him because we both are Batman junkies, and that's how it came out to be. So yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Till then, please take care. Let me know if you want to see another or more Blackman tutorial. So yeah, till next time, take care. Bye.